Want to join a live Zoom sessions with me? Want to learn how food can heal us? And you can ask me anything. Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Shirley. I'm a Chinese medicine practitioner and a pharmacist in Australia. In this channel, I focus on teaching you how to use Chinese herbs at home effectively and most importantly, safely. Firstly, thank you everyone, as this tiny channel, Chinese Herbal Pantry, it's going to reach 7,000 subscribers soon. I think in about a week or so we will get there. So to celebrate that, and thank you for all your love and support from the very beginning, I would like to invite you to join me for a Zoom meeting. It is also an idea that came from many of my followers asked me about the event that I did when I was visiting in Malaysia back in June. And this event actually recently been featured in a Malaysian national newspaper about the significance and the concept behind it. So myself and an amazing Chef Link, were invited for the June event called Food Can Heal. So we share from a chef perspective as well as traditional Chinese medicine practitioner perspective how food can heal us. And I think it's such a great and important topic. So I thought I'd brush up my TCM parts of the presentations, and I would like to share with you at my Zoom session to celebrate 7,000 subscribers. And I thought I'll take this opportunity to meet some of you online who have been so supportive of this channel, that you are subscribing, sharing with your friends and family, as well as giving me those thumbs ups. It's really helped to boost the algorithm for my channel. I'm really grateful for that. So this will be an opportunity for you to ask me any question about traditional Chinese medicine and about how to use Chinese herbs at home. So this Zoom meeting will be held on the 20th of August, 11 p.m. Australian Eastern Time. It will be about an hour event. So the agenda will look a bit like this. So in the first 5 minutes or so will be a brief introductions, and then after that for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, I will share with you on the topic of how food can heal. And then after that, we'll have about 25 to 30 minutes or so where I will answer questions from you guys. In the last 10 minutes also, I will answer questions about my memberships and explain what's the difference between the course and the membership and how that could be supportive of your learning and your own wellness journey as well. So if you're not sure what is 11 p.m. Australian Eastern Time in relation to your local time, please search for a website called Time Zone Converter to convert to your local time. If you don't know, I will also leave the link in the description box for you. I'm sorry, I know this time is not ideal for some cities. It's actually also quite late at my end too. However, this is the only time that I can find that might cover most of the time zones. I do have subscribers from kind of all across the world, so it is quite hard and a real headache to find a time that will be perfect for everyone. So I thank you for your understandings. My aim is to make this Zoom gathering a casual and a friendly and a supportive one, yet I want to make sure everyone feels safe. So if you are free and want to attend, please go to the link here to register. So the easier way to remember is bit.ly/Ask Shirley. You will see it on the screen here. I'll leave it in the description box as well. Type this link on your browser. It should take you to a registration page, and where you can put in your name and your email to register for the event. And please make sure that you enter the email that is linked to your Zoom account. After the registration, you will receive a Zoom link as well as a passcode to join. So if you would like to participate in the half an hour Q&A sessions that is part of the agenda, if you have any question you would like to ask me, please email to me directly at hello@chineseherbalpantry.com, or you can leave your questions in the comments box below. Please note that it depends on how many questions I will receive for the session and depend on whether there's any duplications of the question. So I will only choose the question that I think that is most relevant to most people to answer on that day. Please note that never disclose your personal private health information on the comment box or even in the email that you send it to me. And this is to protect your own privacy. Please note that this session is merely for educational purpose and for general well-being only. It's not for any chronic medical health conditions. So I'm really looking forward to meet some of you who can attend online on that sessions. If I don't see you there, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!